the problem?
When a police officer observes somebody pick up a prostitute,
what that gotta do?
that alerts their suspicion.
But you can't do nothing to me over suspicion because I haven't committed a crime.
I can continue to watch the
Watch
suspicious
what? Okay,
activity.
Well, suspicious is gone. What's suspicious now?
Right now, you talking to me in the way you are.
I'm allowed to talk.
You know what else? You know what else? This is the district that I serve.
We two grown men, though.
I am keeping this area safe with my presence.
You tell me I can't interrupt you. You can't control me. But I don't work for you. You work for me. Actually, you work for me.
Okay. Well, I'm right here providing you a service.
Right. So I'm asking you.
I'm keeping you safe.
Oh, your service is no longer.
On October the 26th, 2022, at approximately 8:34 a.m., an officer with the Columbus Division of Police was traveling eastbound on Sullivan Avenue when he observed a man traveling westbound on the same street stop at a corner and pick up what appeared to be a prostitute. The officer flipped his car with the intention of performing a traffic stop on the suspect vehicle. Before the officer could catch up to the suspects, they pulled into a Dollar General parking lot and the occupants quickly ran into the store. The officer then positioned his vehicle in the same parking lot in a position where he could observe them when they exited the store, with the intention once again of stopping the vehicle when they left. The officer was not afforded this opportunity because he was approached by the man who was driving this vehicle. From that point on, it was hilarious. With all that being said, I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you learned something. I'll talk to you soon.
So I just want to get his badge numbers and shit like that because this is fucking harassment. He parked up here. There's nothing to do. Nothing to do. It's a white cop. Look like KKK. I swear to God. Look like KKK. Yeah. He like, I tell you, like, y'all, I'm on the phone like, shut up. You know what this motherfucker said? I don't believe it. Well, fuck you, man.
I just want to make sure I can record everything that you're saying about me. Okay. What did I do?
You came to follow me for no reason. So as soon as I pull off, you gonna pull off.
Okay.
Right?
Did I get out of my car and engage you?
Can we have a conversation?
I am right now. Did I get out of the car and did I engage you in any way? Stop. Did I get out of my car and engage you? Did I get out of my car and engage you in any way or form?
I know what you're doing now.
Okay. Did I say anything to you?
Why? Because you don't got to, because you pointed there at me. That's intimidation for what?
So you walked over to my car.
I walked over your car and asked you, what are you doing?
And then you started.
What are you doing? Following me.
What were you just saying to your friend on the phone?
What are you doing? This ain't my friend, it's my woman.
How did you describe me?
It's my woman. I called you a racist.
Why'd you do that?
Because you stopping me. Why you pull here? You was going that way. Why you pull here?
Well, I saw. You said she works the street, right? That girl you picked up, she works the street?
Listen, I'll be honest with you. Can I? Because I'm going to incriminate myself or something. I was going to help her buy something. She got food stamps. She's going to buy me something, getting her a ride down here. But I don't have to lie.
No.
I don't have to lie.
Okay, so
I'm a drug dealer. I'm a drug dealer.
Did I get out? Did I get out and approach you, accuse you of anything?
But you're doing it on the way to try to intimidate me.
Okay.
Like that's what you're trying to do, and I feel intimidated. When y'all feel intimidated, y'all shoot people.
What am I? Right? Am I a police officer?
No, I don't know what you are.
Okay.
To me, you're a civilian with a badge. That don't mean shit to me.
So she's a prostitute.
That don't mean shit to me. What they got to do with me?
Listen.
What they got to do with me, sir?
Okay, if a cop sees a man pick up a prostitute, what do you expect him to do? I did. I saw you pick up a girl, and you already told me she works the street.
So you can't help people?
So listen.
I can't buy her a drink.
If you're trying to help her, that's an honorable thing.
Okay, so what are you saying? So why are you sitting here talking? So you going off assumption. You can't arrest me or do anything off
I'm not trying to arrest you. I didn't even get out of my car.
So leave me the fuck alone.
I was leaving you alone.
What the fuck I want to say.
I was just sitting in my car looking at memes on my cell phone.
Freedom of speech. I'm gonna wait till somebody come and I'm gonna leave and you gonna sit here and look stupid.
Why you gotta wait on someone else?
You gonna sit there and look stupid.
Your license no good?
What you mean?
Is your license no good?
I don't know. You ain't got nothing to do with that.
Why do you need someone else to drive you home?
Because the car's messed up. The mechanic's coming, my brakes is messed up.
Oh, you still drove it anyway, though.
I'm going to get my brakes fixed.
Okay.
Hey, you should see this motherfucker, man. two white people come on first thing. Right. Wasting your time, man. I work, bro. I work. I don't sell drugs. Somebody want to sell drugs.
I never said anything about drugs, man. You got a guilty conscience.
I see these white boys in prostitutes all the time. You motherfuckers don't say nothing. You come to the prostitutes, why don't you get them off the corner? Why don't you get them off the corner?
What?
Hey, why don't you get them off the
Doesn't make any sense.
I see you standing on the corner.
You left your headlights on in your car.
I don't care.
Well, you're gonna need a jump.
I got somebody jumping now.
You're gonna kill your battery.
I got somebody jumping on. So why can't we just roll off and then we good? You know I ain't got nothing on me, man. You know,
I try to have a reasonable conversation
I'm
with
trying
you.
to too, but you still sitting here like I'm doing something wrong, man. I'm just trying to help her get my girl get her brakes fixed so she can drive herself to work, man. I'm doing everything honorable.
What does picking her up have to do with getting her brakes
What
fixed?
you mean? I picked her up because I was on the way back. I was on the way back down near the Buckeye Muffler. It's right there on Solomon. It's $300.
Okay.
I'm going to get my muffler fixed. I seen her. I knew her from somewhere. She said, "Hey, what's up? Can you give me a ride?"
From
I said,
somewhere?
yes. From somewhere, yes.
Okay.
It ain't none of your business where I know her from.
It's
Right?
fine.
I knew you from somewhere.
Did I
right?
stop you at all?
Yeah, you turned around. Soon as you seen the guy said.
Did I activate my overhead lights?
Soon as I seen her get in the car, I said, "This motherfucker been turned around because he think I'm trying to trick with you, not knowing that I don't trick. I don't trick, bro. I got my whole woman.
So you're trying to help a girl that works the street.
I'm trying to help a girl. I'm trying to help a girl because I know her people.
I understand that.
I know her people.
That's an honorable thing.
So what's wrong with that?
I didn't say there's anything wrong. You're just acting like you're all guilty for no reason.
I'm tired of cops.
That's why I was trying to talk to you, and you interrupted me, and then you walked away.
You ain't trying to talk to me because you sat right here.
Okay.
I wish you would have just
But
pulled
listen,
me over.
we both know that she works the street.
Listen, I wish if you just pulled me over and searched me.
Stop interrupting me.
I'm a man. I can talk. You can't tell me I can't talk.
Well, we're having a conversation.
Okay, so I'm trying to tell you.
All you're doing is talking over me.
I'm telling you what I'm doing. I'm telling you what I'm doing. I picked her up. I'm allowed to. I'm a grown man. I can pick up any woman I want.
You are.
So you can't tell me that. So I didn't do nothing illegal. So why are you following me?
I didn't accuse you of doing
Why are
anything
you following
illegal.
me then? Suspicion?
I'm telling you right now.
Suspicion?
If you listen for a moment.
Suspicion, right? You can't arrest me. You can't detain me. You can't do nothing for suspicion.
Why do you all normally ask questions and not wait for the answer?
Suspicion.
Would you like me to answer your question?
You harass black people without?
Would you like me to answer your
There's a whole
question?
bunch of white drug dealers out here. You ain't getting them.
Would you like me to answer your question?
A whole bunch of white drug dealers out here. You ain't getting them. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. We get to settle this. You could have pulled me over, searched me. Knew I ain't a drug dealer. Know I ain't had no warrants. Know everything's good. And you went about your way. And we went into conversation, man. It is some good people in the world. Man.
You gonna let me answer you?
It is some good people. I just want you to know it is some good black people in the world.
I know a lot of them.
It's some good.
I already said that if you're trying to help her, you're being an honorable man.
I work for a living, officer. I don't have nothing.
I never questioned that.
I'm a clean, good. I got shots in the street out here on
Okay.
Fremont and Wicklow coming home from work. I don't deal with this shit.
What you're doing is you're making up a lot of stuff that I didn't say.
Hey, I'm not making it up. Why are you sitting here then? Tell me why you sitting here.
I'm trying to, but you keep interrupting me every time I try.
Okay, I want to hear the bullshit
Okay.
answer. Go ahead.
So we both know she's a prostitute that
What
works
that
the
got to do
street.
with
Listen, we both know she's a prostitute that works the street, right?
Is that suspicion?
No, we both know that, right?
No, I don't know it.
Okay. You already told me
I
that
don't know.
you were trying to help her get off the street and all this
No,
other
I just said I
stuff.
was trying to help her get off the street. I
So-
said she asked me to take her to the store. She's going to buy me something. I said, cool. That's it. What's the problem? What's the problem?
When a police officer observes somebody pick up a prostitute,
What that got to do?
that alerts their suspicion.
Well, you can't do nothing to me over suspicion because I haven't committed
Well,
a crime.
I can continue to watch the
Why-
suspicious
okay, well,
activity.
suspicious is gone. What's suspicious now?
Right now, you talking to me the way you are.
I'm allowed to talk. We
You know
two
what
grown
else?
men.
You know what else? This is the district that I serve.
We two grown men. Though.
I am keeping this area
But I'm
safe
saying,
with
we two
my
grown men.
presence.
You tell me I can't interrupt you. You can't control me. But I don't work for you. You work for me. Actually, you work for me.
Okay.
Truth be
Well,
told-
I'm right here providing you a service.
Right. So I'm asking you.
I'm
your service-
keeping you safe.
Oh, your service is no longer legal.
Well, that's your
Service
opinion.
no longer legal.
I have
So when I
my
leave,
own
you gonna leave?
opinion. Maybe.
No, because that's harassment. You don't want to put it on your camera. That's
Did I walk over to you and talk to you in any way?
Because you watching me. You point right here just to watch me.
I'm watching a guy that I observed pick up a prostitute.
You watch a guy that you observed picking up a person.
Okay.
A person. You assume that because that's what you want to assume. Because that's what you cops do. You ain't good at your job evidently. Because if you know that, you would pull me over and found out I ain't got nothing. Period. You wouldn't even see me wasting your time. There's real criminals out here. It's real criminals out here.
Yep.
You wasting your time with me. Go get the motherfucker that shot me in the back. Why don't y'all go get him?
Where is he at? What's his name?
I don't fucking know.
How am I supposed to go get him?
I don't fucking know. I'm just saying, it's one of these little fuckers out here. Somebody do something. Y'all ain't did that. I got shot in the back. You motherfuckers know what the police did to me? Ask me, was it a drug deal? You stupid bitch, I go to work. Come on, I go to work. I make $35 an hour. What the fuck do I need?
Good job.
What the fuck do I need? Well, not no more because I got shot in the back.
So you don't work anymore?
No, I got shot in the back.
Well, you just sat here and told me forever that you work.
I work.
How long ago were you shot?
I worked 2016. Can we, let's shake hands.
2016? I'll give you a fist bump.
Right. No,
Well,
I want to shake hands.
because sometimes I wipe my nose with my hand and I don't want to
That's
spread
cool. I don't
germs.
want to have this. I don't want to have this argument.
I'm
with you.
being
Your
completely
job is your
reasonable.
job. I know you're doing your job, but I'm telling you, you're wasting your time with me, man.
I
I really want you to know that. So next time you see me, you're like, okay. That's why I want you to search me.
next time I see you, I won't even remember that
I want
had
you
this
to run a
conversation.
50, search me, do all this. So you're like, okay.
I haven't even
legit.
asked you your name.
He's legit. My name is Lamar Reeves.
Okay, Lamar.
What's
Nice
your
to meet
name,
you.
officer?
I'm Drew.
Officer, how
Yeah.
you doing? Now I know you. You know me.
Yeah.
Well, we don't know each other, but if we see each other, I'm not here to cause you.
You live out on this block somewhere close by?
I got shot on Chasing Freedom. I moved all the way to the casino.
Okay,
Girl.
so a better area.
Because they shot me. I moved
Yeah.
up there, and then after that, I tried to go back to work. My back, I got bullets in my spine. I can't do it.
Yeah.
But I do work sometimes.
It sucks, man.
Sometimes. And then it's frustrating because this is what it is. I try to do everything good. Also,
Yeah.
you don't understand.
I do too.
I don't want to. I don't want to. Listen. My girl coming, right? I don't care. She gonna say, well, you can say hell. Well, he picked up the streetwalker. I'm gonna say, yup, I did. Because you know why? I have nothing to hide because I know what I was doing was right.
It's fine.
When I stayed on Yale, you know where Yale is?
Yeah, down the bottoms.
They used to have a whole bunch of homeless people in the back. I had that blue house on the corner, Yale and Cable. I fed them, barbecue for them, let them shower. I've done everything. I help the community. I'm not out here to hurt.
I do too.
I've done
I bring,
enough,
you know, Thanksgiving's coming up. Every year I bring extra food for Thanksgiving and feed the homeless.
I've done enough out here.
I know.
Bad. I've done enough
But
bad.
let
I'm
me-
trying to do good.
Well, that's good, man.
I'm
How
trying
old
to
are
do
you
good.
now?
I'm 23.
Hey, same age as me, man.
I'm learning.
Born in '79.
I'm learning. You gotta think. I got PTSD. Anytime I see a gun, it triggers me. It triggers me. And while you sitting there watching me, it makes me feel like you're trying to do
Well,
something.
Lamar, let me expand.
So can you reassure me that all you're doing is your job and it ain't this?
Clearly.
Yeah,
Because listen,
Mr.
you know the streets.
We're fine.
You know the streets. You know what happens.
We both in here right now.
I know. I'm gonna end it quickly. But those prostitutes, they're buying dope from all these dope boys. They're out here causing the violence.
I dig it.
It's my job to try to prevent them from working.
You know what? I told her, if I was a cop, why don't you just follow the prostitutes? As soon as they get out of the car, they go straight to the dope house.
Well, you gotta hide
Right,
because
I mean,
they see this car a mile away.
They go straight
just
to the
like
dope
you
house.
did.
They go straight to the dope house.
They do.
And it's like, you think I want the drug department shot me? I was coming home from work on the
I know.
bus.
Lamar,
And all I want to do is clear this up. So listen, my girl's coming to get the
that's
car.
good.
Her and her boss. They coming to get the car.
Well, you'll be all right.
They don't want me. They know how I am with the police. I stayed on Central. Y'all kicked my ass. I had a 4-year-old warrant for traffic, and they kicked my ass. Police kicked my ass for nothing.
Well,
nothing.
I don't think I was one of them.
I know you weren't, 'cause I remember.
Do yourself a favor. Go get dry in your car.
I'm waiting on them. I'm
Go
fine.
sit in your car where it's dry,
I'm
man.
fine, man. I'm just fine. I said when she pulled up, she gonna think it's more than what it was. So if we sit here having a good conversation, then everybody can pull on and you go.
So now you want to be here near me when your girl shows up.
Yes, because she's
That's
worried.
fine.
She's worried about how I react. She know I don't fuck with police because I know what they did to me down here.
Yeah.
So, but if I tell her, yo, hey, me and my man, we talked.
Yeah.
It was a misunderstanding. We talked. It's good. It ain't
Yeah.
here they are now. We're fine.
Okay.
And everything's good. Maybe this is her. I don't know.
White girl?
Yeah, I got 2 right there. 3, 4, 5. Yup.
Okay.
Hey, baby. We good. Me and Christine. Me and Officer. We just had a good conversation. Me and him, we fine.
Yeah, we're all right.
We know each other.
Stop over always think of police as bad.
Listen, you know.
Not all of them.
Did
I don't listen to this.
Did they kick my ass down there? On
Yes.
Central?
That was how many years ago, though?
Yeah, I'm just saying.
That's all right. He just said he was waiting on someone to come drive him home.
Okay, listen. Can I drive my car?
Yeah.
It's my car. I have temps. I don't want to get pulled over. I have temps.
I just want to get a break.
Hold on.
I never even got out of my car and approached him.
I am. Cause boo paranoid, but he don't do nothing. This dude he's on disability. He's a square.
I know it's fine.
Okay, but
Fine.
I don't want to get pulled over.
I never even got his info because I wasn't gonna run him or anything.
And then my boss, bro, I want Amy to go back.
Mr. Badger,
cold.
Officer Badger, give me some that. He's cool.
Yeah, go ahead and get out of here. There's no point in standing out here, Lorraine.
Me and him for the same thing.
Yeah.
He want to clean up the area and everything.
Are you?
Thank you.
Are you Tina?
Yes.
Okay, I already ran the car. Everything's
Yeah, so I'm getting my
I love it. I love you. I love it.
You gotta love him.
I gotta love it.
Okay,
but
so
me and him good. I can't have her drive with bad brakes.
no, but Amy, I
But
got my
thank you,
poor
Mr.
boss
Badger.
out here.
Tell you what, I'm getting wet and I don't
Thank
enjoy
you,
it.
Officer.
Go ahead and get out of here,
Appreciate
guys.
you,
Thank you, honey.
All right.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Oh, God.